Hey Denny, welcome to my vlog. And it is the 1st of March. And it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And look at the snow. It's sticking. And they say we're going to get a doozy over the next day or two. So we got a winter snow advisory for the next 24 hours. So we'll wait and see how bad it actually gets. We'll follow up on it. Oh man. Woo! Coming down good. Oh, thought this was over with. Man. 50 degrees the last couple of days. Now we're back to this. Oh, yeah. White out. Woo! What you doing, Lily? You're gonna be all white in a minute. What are you doing, Pocky? What are you doing, Pocket? Man. What are you guys doing? Pooh, you don't even have a coat anymore. Mama shaved you a while ago, didn't she? Better get in, we'll get cold. What are you doing? You flakes? You flakes.
Pocky, come here a minute.
It is March 1st.
Dude, do you see her?
What'd you steal?
No.
That's her cookie
This
from
is her cookie. She's been holding
all day.
since 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay. You gave her a cookie at 5?
This is her peanut butter cookie.
Because I gave one. She's gonna go out and bury it in the snow.
Well, I'll leave it on the table. When you come back in, you can have it back.
Okay, you ready? It's March
You
1st.
tell me, Pocky?
And they're saying we got a
Pocky?
snowstorm.
Tell me.
And it's been,
Tell me, Pocky.
the picture originally was when I got home at like
You wanna
5
go out?
o'clock. 5 o'clock.
You want to go out?
It's now 7:30.
Polly, you want to go out? Polly.
There they go.
Polly.
On your mark.
You always tell me. Come on. Come on. All right.
Here we go. Whee! Look at that. That's
Want to go out?
that's since 5 o'clock
Want to
today.
go out a little bit? A little bit. Want to go out? Go potty?
Mama gonna go out?
She says no.
She says, hell no.
Tinky,
Wait.
want to go out?
Wait,
Tinkerbell.
that's an ambulance.
Tinkerbell, want to go out?
Well, it's slowed down to
Jimmy,
nothing.
you want to go out?
And the thing is, this
You
is
want to go out?
supposedly really wet snow.
Come on, Ro.
Oh, it is too.
Ro, are you done?
Look at that. Holds together. What you doing, baby? That's wet snow. It's that's the bad stuff there. That can knock down trees. Woo! Everybody back in. Didn't start one, did they? There's the Lance.
Here you go.
The
Take that
Lance.
back with you.
Thing is, it's perfect snow. It's about 34 degrees. That's perfect. Let's go. Serious snow generator right now. Get them all in here.
It's actually perfect.
Yeah,
snow
10 o'clock. And we have, I would say, about 6 inches of snow. Anybody interested in going out? Pooh, really? Pooh, you really? I don't think anybody wants to go out. There you go. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock on Thursday night, the 1st of March. We'll see how close to 18 inches that they say we're gonna get.
What are you doing? Get in here. You don't get in the snow. Come on, get in here. Phoenix, get in here. Come on. Let's go. You don't play in the snow. I don't think so. Get in here. What are you doing? Yeah, get in here. Hey. I didn't think so. What are you two doing?
Alright, 5:06 on the 2nd of March. So we're gonna have about 18 inches of snow out here. Holy cow. And it is still snowing. I hate to tell you guys this, but I don't think you're 18 inches tall. What do you think? You ready? Watch this. What happened there? What happened there? Huh? Wow. It is still coming down. She says, screw it. I'm just peeing at the door. I'm peeing at the door. Let me find a shovel. I know I got a shovel in here, right? Wow. Let's see what our official we are at 13. Ooh, that's cool. This is a 10. We are at 1 foot of snow. Oh. We're at 1 foot of snow. Alright. Go pee pee? Go pee pee on deck? Go pee pee on deck, mama. Go pee pee. Go pee pee. Hurry up. Go pee pee. Ah, girl. Go pee pee. Here we go pee pee. Hurry up. Go pee pee. Barry, go pee pee. Louie, go pee pee. Hurry up. Rosie, what you guys doing? You want to go pee pee? No, don't go out. Oh, you go on the deck, Pooh. Yeah. Let's see what's on the other side. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. Beautiful. I get a nice family photo here. Look at y'all, huh? Nobody want to go? No one wants to go out. Sure? Nobody want to go out? Oh, pee pee one more time. Everybody's gonna go pee pee on the deck. You go pee pee on the deck. You can go pee pee on the deck. Go ahead. No? Not interested, huh? Alright. Just for the record, it is 28 degrees out. Gotta dig my way to the garage. Alright, here's my truck. The garage. Good boys. Alright. I did a quick shoveling, but it is a foot deep, and I got to get to the truck. There's no ice under here, so gonna be in good shape. Look at that. Nice, perfect wall. Oh my word. Yeah. All right, well, here's our truck to work. All right. Hey, just for the heck of it, I'm putting four-wheel drive on. See how far we go. All right, made out of the driveway. We're on our way. Oy, oy, oy. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm done for the day. Man. It's great I got auto start. Oh, really? She failed. Yep, there she goes. Woo! Alright. I'm still on for. Oh man. Alright, gotta clean up my windshield. I'm out of here.